Hey everybody, let's practice together. Let's start by reviewing our note number 1. Flutes, note number 1, B flat, thumb, 1, 1, pinky. Awesome. Clarinets, note number 1, remember your right hand goes on the bottom, left hand on top, thumb in the back, 1, 2, 3, and nothing in the bottom hand. Saxophones, remember your right hand's on the bottom, your neck strap is tight so that the neck strap is in the middle of your chest, and we're pressing the black on the back, which is nothing. 1, 2, 3 in the front. Our note number 1, which is G. Okay, note number 1 on the trumpet, pressing 0 valves, no valves, C. Our note number 1 on the trombone. Slide position 1, note 1 is our concert B flat. And note number 1 on the bells is B flat, your lowest, biggest one, and it's on the top row. Cool, let's give it a play. Let's play our note number 1 for a whole note for 4 beats. And then we'll rest for 4 beats, which in music looks like this. Key whole notes rest. You fill in the hole. Okay, here we go. Get your instruments up. If you have a reed, lick it. If you have a brass instrument, lick and stick. Here we go. Great job. Good one. Okay, let's move on to the next note. We're going to climb up a few notes, a few pitches. We had just our note number 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's practice note number 4. Let's remind ourselves what note number 4 is. Flutes, E flat. For note number 4, we're putting down almost everything. Okay, almost everything except for that first finger. So you have thumb, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, pinky, E flat. Clarinets. Your note number 4 is F. Just the thumb. Just the thumb. Saxophones. Your note number 4, one of my favorite notes, C. Just your middle finger in your top hand. No teardrop in the back, just your middle finger. Trumpets. Your note number 4, F. We're pressing our first valve all the way down. It's the one closest to your face when you're playing, F. Have to play pretty strong. Lots of air, strong corners on your lips. Trombones, the same thing. Strong corners, pretty strong. Your note number 4 is E flat, and it's in the 3rd position, which is a little closer to your face than the end of the bell. 3rd position. And bells. You are playing an E flat. It's still on the top row, E flat. E with a little B next to it. Find it. Cool. Let's give it a play. So this time, we're going to play note number 1. And then we're going to rest for 4. And then we're going to go up to note number 4. And then we're going to rest. Then we're going to go back to note number 1 and rest. And we're going to start that all the way over. So we'll have 1 again. Rest. During the rest, prepare your fingers for the next note. Okay, here we go. Good work. Good practicing. Let's try it. Let's add our 5th note, note number 5. Okay, let's review what note number 5 is on our instrument. Note number 5 for flute. F. Thumb. 1, 2, 3. 1. Pinky. Thumb. 1, 2, 3. 1. Pinky. Clarinet. Touching nothing. Open fingering. Nothing. Saxophone. Everything. 1, 2, 3 on the top. 1, 2, 3 on the bottom. Teardrop in the back. Remember to not accidentally push any of the palm keys in either hand. Okay? 1, 2, 3 on the top. 1, 2, 3 on the bottom. And your teardrop in the back. Good one. Trumpet, way up for your G. Nothing, but remember we work hard. Strong corners, fast stream of air. Blow far away. Pretend I'm standing on the other side of the room. Send the air all the way to me. Trombones, we're going to bring our slide all the way back into first position for our F. And bells, your note is F2. It's down on the lower level of keys, and it's kind of close by to that E flat. Okay, let's go through and play. So now we're going to start with our note number 1 and rest. Then we're going to go up to our note number 4 and rest. And then we're going to go up to our note number 5 and rest. Now remember, the rest isn't really a rest. It's the time you have to change your fingers to find your new note, to prepare for it. Okay, so always be thinking what's going to come next. Ready? I enjoyed practicing with you today. Good work. Play this more than 4 times per week. You should be setting up your instrument and practicing more than 4 times per week for more than 5 minutes, preferably 20. Awesome work, everybody. I'll see you soon.